problem 3432. Count partitions with even sum difference. This is a tricky question because either there will be zero numbers or all the partitions are valid, because if you compare these two solutions to these two ways to split the array, no matter where this number sit, whether it belongs to the first half or the second half, it doesn't make any difference for the difference between the two partitions. That's why all the ways of splitting this array will be a valid answer, where for an array of length n, the answer will be n minus 1.